Hey everyone, welcome back to TechCirrus, your go-to channel for cracking the Azure AI-900 certification without the jargon. If you've used ChatGPT, asked AI to write code, or seen an AI generate a photo, you've already experienced generative AI, a major topic on the AI-900 exam. Today we're diving into generative AI and agents, followed by a hands-on demo in Azure. So what is generative AI? It's AI that doesn't just find information, it creates it. It's a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content, has changed the way we work, and revolutionized what is possible with technology. Imagine a creative chef inventing a brand new recipe instead of just cooking from a cookbook. That's generative AI. That's what generative AI does. It generates text, code, images, music, and even videos based on your requests. You've likely used it with ChatGPT for writing, GitHub Copilot for coding, or DALL-E for stunning images. Unlike predictive AI that forecasts or discriminative AI that classifies, generative AI produces entirely new content. Now let's level up. What's an AI agent? It's an application using a large language model, or LLM, to plan, reason, and act. Think of a smart assistant that takes your goal, reasons through steps, and uses tools like APIs or databases to achieve it. For example, if you say, plan a trip to Sentosa in Singapore, the agent figures out the steps, book flights, find hotels, and uses tools or APIs to make it happen. In short, LLM is the brain, prompts are the instructions, and tools are the hands. Or think of it like a Grab driver in Singapore. You give the destination and they figure out the best route and drive you there. AI agents aren't just chatbots, they are doers, crucial for real-world applications like customer service or travel planning. Now, let's get hands-on with Azure. This is where the real power of the AI-900 exam comes alive. First, navigate to ai.azure.com and sign in with your Azure account. From the overview or model catalog, pick a chat model like GPT-5 Pro or GPT-4o Mini and click Use this model. When prompted, enter a project name, create, accept the default deployment name, create, connect, and deploy. After deployment completes, select Open in Playground. You'll land in Playground's chat with your model pre-deployed. Let's try a simple prompt. Explain generative AI to a 10-year-old in Singapore using Hawker Center examples. Hit enter and watch as Azure's AI generates a clear, fun response perfect for exam prep. This is powered by Azure OpenAI service, Microsoft's secure enterprise-ready AI platform. You can test different models and tweak prompts to see how responses change, which is how you learn. Let's recap what we've learned today. Generative AI creates new content, not just finds it. AI agents use reasoning and tools to act autonomously like a smart assistant. Azure AI Foundry Playground is your first step to building real AI apps with no code needed. For the AI-900 exam, remember, the playground is for testing, Azure AI Foundry is the main workspace, and agents are active doers. If this helped you understand generative AI and Azure, hit that like button and subscribe to TechCirrus. Drop a comment below on what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.